So got the gas cans loaded up at 6 in the morning. I'm gonna go run and get some gas. Guys start at 8, so trying to get everything ready to go so we're not spending time getting gas and everybody just sitting there gassing up instead of getting some work done. Out here getting some mower blades sharpened, getting ready for the day.
My brother was sitting at that gas station this morning. I'll tell you, my grandma's got.
Looking clean. Nice stripes. Toro grandstand laying down the stripes.